Many believe that if not for Tesla's competitiveness, neither General Motors, Ford, or Chrysler would have produced electric vehicles. Tesla CEO Elon Musk and US President Joe Biden have reignited their feud following the latter's failure to recognize Musk's position as the industry's leading pioneer in electric vehicle. How did Elon Musk respond to being excluded from the event? It isn't easy to picture being the largest electric vehicle manufacturer in the United States by more than 10 times and not being invited to a conference. Before we continue with the video, please hit the subscribe button to help you succeed financially and professionally by looking how the market behaves and how players are setting the trend. Their association is a gathering place for the forward thinkers and the opportunity seekers. Elon Un-Musks Joe Biden's dark secret. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is hitting back after being disregarded at a White House discussion on electric vehicles. He claimed that President Joe Biden of being managed by unions. Regardless of whether or not this is legitimate, Biden's exclusion of Tesla sparked a massive backlash from the public. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk responded to a question on Twitter about why President Joe Biden has not congratulated him or SpaceX on their Inspiration 4 mission successful launch by saying that he is still sleeping. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital benefited from the Inspiration 4 mission's fundraising efforts. More than $200 million was raised thanks to Musk and the all-civilian team. His efforts are an excellent illustration of true transparency that he did inform the entire public and have the foresight to maneuver around difficulties with his leadership. As the founder of SpaceX and Tesla Motors and the inventor of solar tiles for houses, he deserves special recognition. To deliver a much-needed update to the world, Musk has surrounded himself with forward-thinking individuals. It's all happening while the present U.S. federal administration's clumsy humiliation destroys all it touches. It would be a fatal mistake for Biden to do anything other than appointing Musk and his team to lead an environmental agency and distribute money to that department as he sees proper. Fails to acknowledge Tesla's edge in electric vehicle innovation. Is ignoring Tesla's role as the world's leading innovator of electric automobiles, and it's a shame. An EV conference organized by Joe Biden on August 5th this year was meant to exemplify the values of his presidency. Motors, Ford, and Chrysler's parent corporation Stellantis were among the many companies represented. The two-day conference brings together business executives and important stakeholders working on electric vehicles, energy, information technology, and charging infrastructure to examine how we might move toward full battery electric mobility. Joe Biden's planned EV arrangement aims to distribute tax credits to union firms, which Tesla is not a part of. During a Zoom chat with Elon Musk, Vice President Joe Biden claimed Mary Barra, the CEO of General Motors, was a significant factor in the advancement of electric vehicles. The most senior, influential, and informed business leaders are invited to share their thoughts and ideas on various topics at the summit. What is most exciting about this is that Elon Musk, the American electric vehicle mogul, was absent, or was he ignored? When Tesla wasn't invited, he expressed that this was unusual, and is it possible that it was just a blunder or a coincidence? Going to be changed by Elon Musk's success, which Biden couldn't deny. For the first time in history, 4 astronauts were sent into space on September 15th. This on-orbit tour of the prestigious Dragon Resilience was watched by tens of thousands worldwide on SpaceX's website. Despite this accomplishment, President Biden proceeded on without saying a word. There are no professional astronauts on board the Inspiration 4 mission. No one has ever gone into space before. It wasn't until this year that 3 of the passengers realized they were going into space that their lives were revolutionized by training and public attention. There are 3 days of weightlessness to be enjoyed and a little science to be done as part of the Inspiration 4 mission. Elon Musk, unions control Biden. Elon Musk was enraged by his exclusion from the EV meeting and described how the unions have authority over Biden. He made the case that most politicians rely on the help of labor unions and lobbyists. Lobbying is essentially a kind of legal bribery because lobbyists operate only to influence public officials' views. Legacy automakers are spending millions each year on lobbying. General Motors paid more than $7 million in 2021 alone on lobbying as a case in point. In addition, the United Auto Workers, or UAW for short, has been directly financed by the federal government, which is significant. United Auto Workers is one of the largest labor organizations in the United States. It covered gambling, weapons, autos, and child support payments, which have no connection to the UAW. In the past, Elon Musk has voiced his opposition to unions. Tesla's excellent benefits make the UAW contributions unnecessary, he claims. Though the UAW may look unreasonable, it possesses immense power and effectively governs the country. Because of Elon's positive impact on the world, Ron Barron, a billionaire fund manager and early Tesla investor, says Biden's absence of Elon is ridiculous. According to recent reports, capital gains that have yet to be realized may be taxed by politicians shortly. On the other hand, the government of Vice President Joe Biden has publicly backed this tax, which Elon strongly opposes. Do you think Tesla's chief executive officer Elon Musk is getting more attention than Biden? And what would the electric vehicle giant plan to slap success right into Biden's face? It's not unusual for Biden allies in the labor movement to oppose Tesla. According to Elon Musk, the United Auto Workers, which represents Ford and General Motors employees, is trying to influence President Biden. The National Labor Relations Board has punished Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk for encouraging workers to reject unions. Analysts believe that severing ties with some of Musk's supporters may be worth it in the long run. Keep an eye on Tesla and the financial market by staying tuned to our YouTube channel. Please do like this video and hit the notification bell.